Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Microsoft Entra ID for insurance. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Entra ID portal. Log in using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, click on the Azure Active Directory option from the left-hand menu. In the Azure Active Directory dashboard, select App Registrations. Click on the New Registration button to create a new application. Provide a name for your application, such as Insurance Portal. Set the redirect URI to the URL of your insurance portal. Choose Web as the application type. Click on the Register button to create your application. After registration, take note of the application client ID shown in the overview. Next, navigate to the Certificates and Secrets tab on the left side. Click on New Client Secret to generate a new secret key. Provide a description for the secret and set an expiration period. Click Add to create the client's secret. Make sure to copy the secret value immediately, as you won't be able to see it again. Now, go to the API Permissions tab. Click on Add a permission to select the API your portal needs to access. Choose the relevant API, such as Microsoft Graph. Select the permissions required for your portal functionality. Click on the Add Permissions button to finalize your selections. Ensure that you click the Grant Admin Consent button for your app permissions to take effect. Next, gather the necessary details: client ID, tenant ID, and client secret. In your insurance portal code, implement the OAuth 2.0 authorization code flow. Use the collected credentials to authenticate requests to Microsoft Entra ID. Make sure your portal redirects users for login when they are not authenticated. Test the authorization flow to ensure everything is working correctly. Monitor the portal's access logs for any issues or unauthorized attempts. Document the entire setup process for future reference or audits. Your insurance portal is now authorized with Microsoft Entra ID. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.